Good day, esteemed viewers, and welcome to our special segment focusing on the mining industry in Zambia. As we gear up for the 2025 Investing in African Mining Indaba themed Advancing Sustainable Mining in Africa, we are thrilled to have a distinguished guest with us today. Join me in welcoming Ms. Kapumpe Chola, who is the Chief Executive Officer of FNB Zambia. Ms. Chola, it's a pleasure for you to be with us.
Thank you so much, Mwelwa. Thank you for having me. And good day to all the viewers. It is always a pleasure to engage in meaningful discussions about critical sectors that are shaping Zambia's economy.
The mining industry is undeniably a cornerstone of Zambia's economy. Could you provide us with an overview of its current state and significance?
Absolutely. Mining has always been and continues to be vital to Zambia's economic landscape. It contributes significantly to GDP, to tax revenue, and export earnings. The sector, or the industry, is actually one of the larger employers outside of the public sector and agriculture in Zambia. Copper production, for instance, accounts for approximately 70% of Zambia's export earnings. And additionally, Zambia is a prominent producer of other minerals as well, such as emeralds, which also Zambia is a leading producer of. These gems are renowned, particularly the emeralds, for their vivid color, their exceptional clarity, making them highly sought after, globally. So globally, the push for minerals has gained a lot of momentum, driven by the energy transition. This demand has spurred quite a lot of increased investment in the mineral exploration and production. Africa, as a hub of many of these minerals, is therefore very uniquely positioned to capitalize on this opportunity.
Thank you for that insightful overview. How has the mining industry evolved over the years?
The evolution has been quite remarkable, I must say. Traditionally, in Zambia that is, mining activities were largely concentrated in the copper belt. But largely we've witnessed, copper production around the northwest, for example. There's a lot of other mining activity in the central province, in the southern province. There is also quite a bit of activity in the eastern province around gemstones, different types of gemstones, although this is largely on a much smaller scale. This shift has been supported by government efforts to diversify and enhance local content, mitigating some historical vulnerabilities, and ensuring broader social economic benefits. Additionally, the issuance of new mining and exploration licenses and all the activity that is happening around exploration and the drive towards a more consistent taxation framework have been instrumental in driving growth and diversification within the sector. These efforts not only strengthen the industry, but they also attract investment and contribute to a more resilient economic performance.
Very interesting. Let's talk about the role of the banking sector, particularly FNB Zambia, which you head. How does it support the mining industry?
Okay. So the banking sector plays a pivotal role in enabling the growth and sustainability of the mining industry, as well as other sectors, of course, that are ancillary to mining. At FNB Zambia, we are proud to be a trusted financial partner to all these sectors, but in particular to the mining industry that we're speaking about today. We provide tailored financial services, including short-term and long-term, as well as, to the extent of project financing to the mining sector. We also offer environmental rehabilitation guarantees to the sector, investment solutions, and other corporate advisory services. This is all work that we've done in the Zambian mining industry, and other related businesses, of course. This support is crucial for facilitating both new projects and the expansion of existing projects. At FNB, the mining sector is a key pillar of our growth strategy. We have specialized teams dedicated to serving various segments of the industry. We have led in supporting large-scale mining operations and small-scale mines as well. Our support extends beyond the main mining operation, because we also offer, for instance, our retail banking division, which has 24 branches across the entire country. We ensure that miners and their workforce have seamless access to financial services. We include financial literacy in these services to the mines as well. So it's a comprehensive approach to meet the unique demands of this vital sector. Our corporate and investment banking division is equipped with dedicated mining subject matter experts and relationship managers who work very closely with the mining companies. They provide bespoke financial solutions, strategic insights into the sector, and sector-specific expertise to address the unique challenges and opportunities within the mining sector. This personalized support ensures that our clients have financial agility that is needed to keep their operations going. The service also extends to the transactional platform that FNB Zambia has. It is seamless so that the mines or the mining operators can focus on their core business, which is mining, while the transaction and banking services happen on our platforms very flawlessly, seamlessly, quick, and is able to support even the large-scale payments that you typically associate, large-scale volumes of payments typically associated with the mining sector. This is really a core of what we provide as FNB Zambia. In addition, FNB Zambia also offers a wide range of tailored products to support these large-scale operation contractors who support these the mines, and also support to the SMEs who also are working along with the mining companies. And the support extended there includes working capital facilities, asset acquisition loans, trade finance solutions, all designed to empower the suppliers to grow and thrive in the mining ecosystem. By providing these innovative financial tools and personalized advisory services, we also help these businesses scale up in their operations and therefore strengthen their impact within the value chain.
Now, the mining industry, like any other industry, does face certain challenges. Are you able to elaborate some of these challenges that FNB has identified?
So the industry's challenges are broad and multifaceted. To your point, like any other industry, I mean, the fluctuating commodity prices is certainly, an issue that does come up when one's thinking of investment into the mining sector, because they directly impact profitability and investment decisions. Regulatory changes can also pose, the further uncertainties for mining operations. Environmental and social concerns are a big factor, and these are properly required for any sustainable mining operation. And it's important that we continue to address, the social impact of mining activities on local communities. However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and ensuring, the sector's long-term sustainability and positive impact. And this is something that we play a key role in as FNB Zambia.
Right. Now, with these challenges in mind, what would you say, or rather, what does the future hold for the Zambian mining industry?
The prospects are quite promising, really. I mean, I think you've heard the national aspiration of doing 3 million tons by 2030. But copper prices remain quite strong, reasonably robust. There is optimism as well about new mineral discoveries in the country. Zambia needs to leverage this global decarbonization drive by maximizing its copper production, the potential, and creating broad value for the rest of the economy. The government's proactive measures to resolve sectoral issues and attract investments are also already starting to yield some results, as evidenced by the estimated 12% increase in copper production between 2023-2024. I think we've also heard pronouncements around expansion and investment from some of the key mining operations across the entire country. We expect this momentum to continue and drive the country towards that 3 million metric tons annual production that government espouses.
Thank you so much, Ms. Chola, for sharing such valuable insights about the mining sector and FNB's role. It's clear that the mining industry is an integral part of Zambia's economic health and development.
Thank you for this opportunity to discuss this very important topic. It really has been a pleasure. I would really like to end by adding that FNB Zambia is an ideal strategic partner to the mining industry with our embedded philosophy of shared prosperity, and also the foundation, the FNB Foundation, that we set up over a year ago now. These are avenues that we use for uplifting the lives of the communities that we serve, supporting our partners in their investment and growth journeys, and really a key role that FNB takes pleasure in playing, because we're about help, because we know that help changes everything.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. So stay with us for more engaging discussions on topics that matter. Have a lovely day.